have been waiting to do this bathroom for so long. This is our master bathroom. It comes right off of our bedroom. And it definitely, I'll just show you the before. You have the pink walls, honey oak cabinets, a burnt out light bulb, generic oval mirror. So I kind of dove right into this one. I started out by painting the door. Well, first I had to remove the outlet covers, remove the doorknob, painted the door, painted all the walls white. I just wanted to start with a blank slate, make it all white and see what it was gonna be like from there. I took down the lighting fixture, which I had never done this before. I was a little bit scared, but we just turned, you gotta turn off the power. I just had to remember which wire was where, and it wasn't hard because it was like black and white. So once the light fixture was off the wall, I took it apart. I took out all the old light bulbs, took off the glass covers, taped it up, then took it outside and gave it a coat of spray paint. I used matte black, Rustoleum spray paint. Love this stuff, it dries super fast. Then I put it back together and I got a whole new set of light bulbs. So now all 4 light bulbs worked. And it was at this moment that I kind of stepped back because I realized it might not be the right direction for the bathroom. I wanted it to be cozier. I felt like it was too wide open. And yes, it's a small room, but something just wasn't working. That's when I realized I really needed to take a sit down and think about what's the design that I want to achieve. When I'm starting to think about how I want a design to look, my first step is to go to Pinterest. If you are on Pinterest, give me a follow. You'll see all of my ideas that I have just been sifting throughout the week, and I'll show you some of my inspiration pictures. I knew I wanted to keep the white walls, but I almost wanted something that was like a contrast to that, if you will. It gives it such a cozier feel. So I thought, maybe this is something that I want to do. So I'll show you kind of my inspiration for this. I also realized that the mirror was way too small and it was not filling up that whole wall. It was like losing that potential that I saw in that whole big wall space. So I decided to go on a hunt for another mirror, and I found this one for 10 bucks on Facebook Marketplace. I sanded it down, gave it a coat of stain, gave it a coat of water-based polyurethane. I love how it's looking so far, and it's a lot bigger. Like, I think it'll fit the space a lot more, so we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I'm excited. The other thing I told myself that was just out of the question was getting rid of any of the cabinet on the wall. So I made the decision that is going to stay where it's at, but in order for it to kind of fit with what I'm doing, it might not be able to stay like wood. After I was on Pinterest kind of gathering everyone's different ideas, I took it into Photoshop and I made a mock-up, and I'm not ready to show you what it looks like right now, but I am so excited for where this bathroom is gonna go. So stay tuned for part 2 of this bathroom makeover, where we're gonna finish it all up. It's all gonna come together. Now is a great time to hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and just stay in touch with everything that I'm doing. I am here to inspire you to create what you love and to be fearless in just making a space your own. So stay tuned for that. Give me a like and follow me on Instagram for more. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.